This airdrop is very popular. Almost 20 million people use it every day. The airdrop we are talking about in this video is called TapSwap. It is a clicker mini app game found within the Telegram app. This project is actually built on the open network TON blockchain, which is huge. TapSwap is straightforward and easy to play. Players can earn points by tapping a digital coin on the screen, with an energy bar that limits daily tapping. The main activity in the game involves tapping a gold coin in the center of the screen to earn points. Players can only tap as long as their energy bar allows. Once the energy is depleted, they must wait for it to refill. Special tasks can be completed to earn extra points. These tasks might include joining TapSwap's community on social media. Referring friends to the game also earns bonus points, not just initially, but also based on the referred friends' in-game activity. To form this airdrop, you do not need an NIC card or other document. All you need is a mobile phone and you are ready to start farming. Without wasting time, let us explore the steps involved in its farming. Click the link that is given in the description of this video. This link will open a TapSwap window on Telegram. If you do not have a Telegram app, then first download it, make a Telegram account. How to use TapSwap. Once you've clicked the link, you'll be greeted by a button labeled Tap. Give it a tap and you're in. At the center of your screen, you'll notice a golden coin. This is your ticket to potential earnings, so keep your eyes on the prize. Now comes the fun part. Start tapping that golden coin like there's no tomorrow. With each tap, you'll see your points increasing at the top of the screen. However, it's important to mind your daily limit. Below the coin, you'll spot your daily cap. Everyone starts with a limit of 500 points. Once you hit this cap, you'll need to wait for it to reset before earning more. While tapping is the main game, don't forget to explore the additional features. Look for the task button below the coin. Here, you'll find additional ways to earn points, including social tasks and wallet setup. Speaking of wallets, for full functionality, you'll need to set up a cryptocurrency wallet. The app recommends Phantom Crypto Wallet, which you can download from your phone's app store. Remember to safely store your secret recovery phrase when creating your wallet. TapSwap offers free daily boosters and premium boosters that can enhance the player's tapping power and energy capacity. The first free booster is called Tapping Guru. When activated, it multiplies your tapping power for 20 seconds, allowing you to earn 5 points for each tap instead of just 1. It's like entering a brief state of tapping enlightenment, where your fingers become a blur of point earning efficiency. The second free option is the Full Tank. This handy power-up completely refills your energy bar when it's depleted. Think of it as a quick pit stop to refuel your tapping engine, allowing you to continue your point-earning streak without interruption. Both of these are free and are available daily and reset every 24 hours, giving you a regular opportunity to boost your earnings without any additional cost. For those looking to take their tapping game to the next level, TapSwap also offers paid boosters. These include options like multi-tap, energy limit, recharging speed, and TabBot. While these require spending some of your hard-earned points, they can potentially offer even greater rewards for dedicated tappers. Remember, the key to success is consistency and smart use of the app's various features. Happy tapping! As of now, withdrawing money from TapSwap is not yet possible. The app is currently in its accumulation phase, where users are earning tokens by tapping and completing tasks. The actual withdrawal process will only become available once TapSwap is listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges, which is expected to happen around July or August 2024. When TapSwap does become listed, the withdrawal process is expected to be straightforward. Users will need to connect their exchange wallet, such as Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, or OKX, to their TapSwap account. Once connected, they will be able to transfer their TapSwap tokens to these exchange platforms. From there, users can convert their TapSwap tokens to USDT, a stable cryptocurrency, and then withdraw it as cash. However, it's important to note that the exact process may vary depending on the exchanges where TapSwap gets listed, and users should stay tuned for more detailed instructions when the listing actually occurs. Participating in the TapSwap airdrop is a straightforward process that offers users the opportunity to earn rewards and explore the platform's innovative features. It's advised to use a separate device for such activities to protect your primary accounts, and also remember that airdrops are speculative opportunities and not a guaranteed source of income. The TAPS token launch and airdrop were initially scheduled for May and July 2024, respectively, but have been delayed to the third quarter of 2024. This decision was made due to an influx of bots trying to exploit the airdrop system and the team's need to refine the tokenomics and launch strategy. The delay is intended to ensure a fair and profitable launch for all genuine participants. To stay updated on the latest developments, subscribe to our channel. Our channel will provide the most accurate and timely information about the token launch and airdrop. So there you have it, these are the disclaimers. Don't say later that I didn't warn you. If you understand all this, then go ahead and tap away. But if there's any issue, let me know in the comments below.